Hello kids, I am Mrs. Kalavati from the United Public School from Department of English. Today we are going to see a new letter S. The sound of this letter is S. Yeah, the sound of the letter S is S. Okay, now let us see a small story for this letter. Okay, Sumi and the snake. Sumi is a smart girl. She is 7 years old. She lives in the Star Street. She likes to play in the garden after the sun comes. She likes to sing songs with her sister Shia. One day they were going to the school. They saw a big snake on the road. "Look, there is a big snake," cried Shia. Sumi told, "Don't go near the snake. Stay back." They stayed back. The snake crawled and went. Then they went safely to the school. Now let's recall the words from the story. Sumi, Sia, school, star, sun. Okay children, now we have a small rhyme for this letter S. Let us see that. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Thank you children. I hope you have enjoyed. We'll meet in the next session.